Hi families, my name is Holly Compton. I'm the math coach for Manhattan Beach, and today we're going to take a peek at a different story problem type than we did last week. We have actually made it to the month of December, and we have moved on from the turkeys, right? So we are here and we're thinking about birthday parties, celebrations, holidays around the world, right? So that's going to be kind of our theme for December, and we're going to be looking at part whole, part unknown story problems. You probably remember this thing. This is called a number bond. This represents the whole or the total. So this is the whole here. And this is a part. And this is a part. Now we use these to create our fact families when we're learning our fact families when we're younger. So this piece plus this piece will equal this piece. So today we're going to be looking at a story where we're going to know this piece, and we have to figure out an unknown part unknown. All right, so here it goes. Birthday party. There were 10 people at a birthday party. 4 of them were children, and the rest of them were adults. How many adults were at the birthday party? All right, so I want you to think first about the story and how your child might approach this. If you say to your child, oh, all you have to do is 10 minus 4 is 6, and you'll get the answer, they will be like, wait, what? Because you're telling them to subtract, and this problem is actually not about subtracting. So that will really throw them off if you tell them what you think you could do or what you know how you might solve it. It won't make sense to them. There is no subtraction in this story. According to the context, right? Okay, so we really want to think about how our kids would solve this. So if we know there were 10 people at a birthday party, so we have the whole number of party goers as 10, and 4 of them were children, we're trying to figure out how many of them are adults. Now, this is just the setup. This just helps us. It doesn't actually solve for us, right? So once we get the setup going, then we can get out our tools, our number lines, our 120 chart. So let's take a peek. So if the whole number of party goers here is 10, and these represent the kids, then these must be the adults. So then they could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adults, and then they could say, okay, so the missing part is 6. They might also do a number line. So they might use 4 plus what makes 10. So the answer will then be up here in how many hops they took. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we had to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops. So up here we had to take 6 hops. So the missing number would be 6 in that strategy. Actually, of course, in every strategy, the answer is 6. We could also have them think about a 120 chart. So here is my 120 chart. So if you want to have them look at this as a tool, they all have them, right? So if we know that 4 kids are at the party and we know that there are 10 party goers, how many hops would we have to take to get to 10? That will show us how many adults there are. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So having your child set up the number bond with the top bubble and then the 2 missing pieces can be helpful. And then after that, the strategies could be something like this: a number line, math tools, or counting. All right, families, I hope that helps, and I will see you next time. Happy December. Bye.